Valley News Live 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
Well, the first half of our weekend was great. Temperatures in the 70s in a lot of spots. And second half also great because we have a chance at some good rain here.
Yes, just enjoyed today. Now stay inside tomorrow.
Yes, and enjoy what you're seeing on the radar right here. We've got some rain pushing, and there's two main areas. One to our south that's now pushing into our southern valley, and another area of rain that's developed around the Bismarck and Minot area here. This is going to kind of come together and bring us chances for rain through the overnight hours tonight and even into the day tomorrow as the system continues to influence us. So as we take a closer look, most of the northern valley nice and quiet, seeing some very good returns out toward the Medina area and Stutsman County, seeing some rain starting to push into that region, and also in the southern valley as well. As we take a closer look toward Jamestown, just to the west of you, a little bit of moderate to even some good rain down just west of Gackle. That'll be moving its way to the east tonight, and that extends up into Foster County as well. Southern valley, lighter rain showers occurring right now, reporting light rain in the Wheaton area, also over toward the Aberdeen region. They're also reporting some light rain there. It's running into some drier air, so it's taking a little bit of time for some of this rain to make it to the ground, but it'll continue pushing northward, and eventually we'll see our rain chances increase tonight. Temperatures still very mild, 65 degrees in Fargo, 55 in Grand Forks, 61 in Jamestown, and 61 in Detroit Lakes at the moment, with light wind into northwest Minnesota. Most places reporting some pretty light wind with a couple of spots into the teens, but we can handle that for tonight, especially with the rain coming in. So through the overnight hours, we're going to watch this rain lift northward. Again, there's the one area to the south and then also to the west by 1 a.m. into parts of Lakes Country, and I think we'll see some rain in southeastern North Dakota as well. And it'll continue to rise into the middle part of the valley through the overnight hours. 3:30, a couple of places where you see these pockets of yellow and orange where we'll be seeing some good moderate rain falling. Elsewhere, just some light rain showers occurring through the overnight. And by later on tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., some areas where we're still getting some bands of some nice moderate rain falling in the valley, maybe right over Fargo, Moorhead at that point in time. Temperatures starting off in the mid to upper 40s in most places. And then eventually this whole system continues moving its way north and eastward. We'll see the wraparound from that through much of the day tomorrow. The bulk of the rain falling overnight tonight, and then tomorrow scattered to isolated areas of rain showers occurring in the morning hours and into the afternoon and evening. This will continue tomorrow night, especially with the heating of the day, a couple of pop-up showers. And by the afternoon, temperatures making their way into the upper 40s, where we're stuck under the clouds all day into Minnesota. Other places we may be seeing temperatures rising into the upper 50s tomorrow. The other issue is that we'll still see some more wind, and we're still very dry, so just be aware of that. But wind out of the north and west at that point tomorrow, gusting up to about 25 miles per hour at 7 o'clock. But it will continue to rise into the later evening hours tomorrow night, with gusts up to 30, maybe a little bit higher than that tomorrow night. Notice this too, where we see some isolated precipitation happening as that cold air starts to push in. Some spots may see it switch over to some flakes by late tomorrow night, with again that wind on the strong side. It won't be too pleasant to be outdoors. Here's the latest look at what we can expect to see as far as rainfall potential is concerned. Anywhere you see green, that's at least a ½ an inch of liquid moisture, and there are a couple of pockets where the yellow is where we may be seeing an inch or more. Not everybody's going to luck out with that ½ inch of moisture, but I think at least all of us will see some sprinkles, some light rain, and hopefully we can all see a little bit of rain to just kind of tamp down that dry weather that we've been dealing with. Blanchard, North Dakota, great shot of a sunset sent to us by Linda Johnson. You can see the KVLY tower in the distance there if you look close enough. And we have a pretty nice forecast coming up. The rain coming tomorrow, very good chance of that. Extending into Monday, some isolated showers, even some snow showers continuing Tuesday. And then we quiet down for the rest of the week with temperatures on the cooler side. No more 70s and 60s, at least not for right now.
100%. That's a pretty good chance.
I think that we're going to see a little rain in the valley.
Good. All right. Thanks, Lisa.
You bet.
Well, coming up on Valley News Live, a roller derby in the valley sheds light on an issue of bullying.